Hey, thanks for watching. As you can see, I made several test cuts. It fit well at the table saw. Now I'm just inserting the adjustment screws. And here I'm cutting it out on about 1/2 inch pine. I had to take it to the drum sander to sand it just a little bit. It was a little tall. Here I'm cutting the slot, holding the insert down. But after I drum sanded it, and then I sanded the edges just slightly. So it works well, fits well. Now I want my riving knife to work. So what I did is make another template on the laser, but cut out the slot for the riving knife. After a few test cuts, I was able to get that to where it worked well. If you want to watch how I designed this in Lightburn laser software, there's a video for that. Also, if you want to purchase the digital file to make these yourself or purchase the physical product, I'll list my Etsy shop. Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe.